Hi there, my name is Ferry Wolf, and within Tricentis I'm a solution architect dedicated to our partners. And in this short video I will show you how we can do full end-to-end testing where SAP has been involved. And in there we can combine all the different technologies out there in one way of working, so we can do full end-to-end testing at the speed of continuous testing into DevOps. So here in Tosca I will go through a few applications to do a full end-to-end test. The first one is that I'm going to steer a web application, which is our vehicle insurance application. And in the end, we're going to calculate the premium and we will receive a unique quote number in the last step. That quote number is something we use in our create sales order, which we then do in the SAP WinGUI part. And there we're going to fill in our order number into the sales order type. In the end, there will be created a unique sales order number, and that's something we also save in our test data service. So we can keep track of our test data in a stateful manner. The next step is that we are going to SAP Fiori. We're going to ask our TDS service to deliver that unique order number and go through the process of creating an outbound delivery in the interface of SAP Fiori. And in the end, we will receive a unique outbound delivery number, a document number, which will be updated in our test data service. Then, again in Fiori, we're going to create a billing document and update our test data. And then the process is finished. But still, we want something to test. So therefore, we go back to our SAP WinGUI. We going to connect again to our order, the unique order, and we're going to check if it has been fully delivered and if the order has been successfully. And then in the end, we're going to export a report into Excel, and we're going to check this report in Excel if it has been fulfilled. So this is the process which we're going to walk through, fully automated. So here Tosca now starts up our vehicle insurance application. It's synchronizing now, and it's going to calculate the premium of an automobile insurance. So here it's going to fill in all the values, do some testing here as well in this table. And here in the last step, in the middle of the screen, you see a unique number. It ends in 117. That unique number has now been saved by Tosca, and now it starts up SAP WinGUI. And this number will now be used in creating a sales order. So as you can see here, it logs in, the VA01, and here in the header of the next page, you see the 117 customer reference, ending in 117. And now it's going to fit in some values for this part. In this case, SAP is loading and Tosca synchronizing, and in a few seconds it will continue. And in the bottom of the page, you see a unique order, 1645. And this order number is something we use in our full end-to-end process. So here we now are already logged in into Fiori, and it's going to start the outbound delivery part. And there you will see in the order part, it will be 1645, which has been saved from our SAP WinGUI part to create the outbound delivery. So here the application is synchronizing with Fiori. And in the end, you will see in the bottom of the page, a unique document number has been created, delivery number 1026. And this number will now be used to create a billing document, also in Fiori. And here in the first column, you will see the document number 1026. And in the bottom of the page, you will see the billing document number, which have been saved. So now it has been delivered, and we're going to check back again in our WinGUI part. So here we use our unique order number again. Going to check here if the overall status is completed and fully delivered. Checks here the customer reference again. makes a report into Excel, and the Excel engine is quite fast because the verification is already being finished. And in the bottom of the page, you will see the test case is green. So this is how we can fully automated do a full end-to-end test using different technologies, mixed into each other, so we can do full end-to-end testing. And as promised, we can keep track of our test data in a stateful manner. So if we go to our test data object viewer, you will see that in one central place in our data repository, there's the end-to-end type with here all the information which has been used during the test case in our full end-to-end flow with the date from today.